Did the IRS just reject your offer in compromise? Don't panic. This doesn't mean you're out of options, but your next move is crucial. In this video, I'll explain why offers in compromise get rejected, what to do next, and how to improve your chances of acceptance on a second try. I'm Brad Paladini, a tax attorney with 12 years experience helping clients successfully settle tax debt even after their offer in compromise was initially denied. Before you act emotionally, here's what you need to understand about why your offer in compromise was rejected. Rejections usually happen for a few key reasons. You offered less than your reasonable collection potential. The IRS thinks you can afford to pay more based on your income or assets. You didn't fill out the paperwork correctly or missed documentation. And very frequently, you're not current with your tax filings or estimated payments. You could have also made an ineligible offer, such as trying to do an offer in compromise while you're in bankruptcy or out of compliance. So what are your options after rejection? If you believe the IRS made a mistake, you have the right to fight it. You have 30 days from the date of the rejection letter to file an appeal. This is your chance to provide updated financial information, dispute IRS valuations of assets or income, and explain special circumstances. Sometimes if your offer is just way too far out of the range of possibility, it might make sense to regroup and try again at a later point. If you don't appeal or miss the deadline, you can submit a new offer in compromise. If you decide to go down that route, you want to make sure to correct any mistakes from the first offer. You want to update the financial forms with recent income and expense changes, and you want to offer an amount closer to what the IRS believes it can collect. Now, if you can't qualify for a settlement, the next best move is a payment plan. Installment agreements are easier to get approved, and they do stop IRS collections. They give you time to regroup, and they could lead to debt forgiveness if you can wait out the collection statute expiration date, basically the time that the IRS has to collect the debt from you. Now, you could also request currently non-collectible status. So if you're truly unable to pay and have financial hardship, ask the IRS to place you on this status. No payments are required, but the debt still exists. You could use this time to stabilize and maybe revisit an offer at a later point. Here's some mistakes that ruin people's chances of future IRS relief. You don't want to ignore the rejection letter and do nothing. This can trigger a wage garnishment, a bank levy, or potentially an asset seizure. And you don't want to rush to submit the same exact offer again. In all likelihood, it will just get rejected again. If you're finding this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more straight talk advice on navigating the IRS. And if your offer in compromise was denied and you're unsure what to do next, click the link below for a consultation. My team and I will review your situation and help you decide whether to appeal, resubmit, or go in a different direction.